Inhale, exhale. Just got a package in the mail.
What is up, you guys? Welcome to Pete Shop Makes. I'm your host, Pete. Hope you guys are having a happy holiday. And this week, I have something pretty freaking sweet for you. This little guy right here. This is a Blackout kit. What's a Blackout kit? Well, my buddy Ron over at 12 Volt Villains came up with this little invention here, and it's based more towards the car show industry. Guys wanting to show off their rides, but not wanting to advertise all their license plate information, having to blurt out their numbers and all that, wanting to post pictures on social media, what have you. He saw sort of a use for this and really been blowing up. If you guys are interested, you can check out his website. I'll post a link in the description. But the reason why I have this is a couple of weeks ago I posted on Instagram some wooden license plate frames that I made out of some canary wood. And he saw them, reached out to me, asked if I could possibly make a couple little templates or you know, just some designs to maybe incorporate the mechanism inside here. And I told him, well, I'd give it a try. And so that's what we're going to do today. And from my original frames that I made, I already made this template out of some plywood. So this is kind of going to be the jumping off point that I'm going to use. Of course, I'll get some measurements to fit this specific frame, but we'll go ahead and get started and I'll show you guys how this thing all comes together.
right, well, there you guys go. Again, this was just a prototype. Still have some kinks to work out. This one's not perfect. Probably won't do a two-piece. I'm trying to figure out how to incorporate the plate in a single piece and be able to attach it to a vehicle and still have the screen go up and down. So that's kind of a little bit of mystery right now. And again, just had to try, you know, experimenting and see what we can come up with. But for right now, I'm really happy with the way this one turned out. And hopefully in the next couple weeks or coming months, these should hopefully be available for sale. And again, check out Ron's site at 12voltvillains.com. I'll post a link in the description. But as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, share it with your friends. And as always, I will catch you on the next one.